Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Abhay, joined by
Anindita.
yes. So today we are going to give our reaction on one of the fight scene from Ariyathil Oruvan movie.
Yes, so already we have done the first part
Yes,
of that
of this
fight.
fight scene.
Yes, so वहाँ पे था ना एक काला kind of
Yes.
आदमी and he was like
Inside some
beating
cage or something, it was there, right?
goal type का round.
Right.
So this is actually the next part of that scene. So you guys have loved that scene a lot.
Yes.
And we are kept on getting the requests for doing the more scenes of Ariyathil Oruvan fight
Yes.
scenes, movie scenes reaction.
Because this is one of the top class
Top
movie
class
of
movie, top class.
Karthi, right?
Yes, this is Karthik's movie.
Yes.
So let's get started. Or before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and
Yes.
also please click on the notification bell.
Yes. I can remember Bahubali speech. My God.
Take position! మంటలు విసరండి!
This is killing.
Oh,
Stop! Stop! ఆగండి! 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 పడతులారా! నీరు తెండు!
poison.
This is good trick.
He was about to drink that. ठीक हुआ. There is Karthik. That time, this execution is unreal.
against guns.
Yes.
Are killing their own people also.
ఈ ప్రేలుడిచ్చిన దాని పేరేమి? దీని గురించి తమరు వివరించలేదే. ఆ? భయపడదమనా?
Means I'm not getting actually. At the last they are matlab, just
Laughing and all,
standing.
yes.
They are committing suicide. That means they are just
Because
standing.
they thought that they have nothing to do, right? Because standing against big
Guns.
that
It's not
AK-47
possible.
type of guns, it's very tough, right? And they are not well equipped, you can say.
Yes,
They
yeah.
have just this shield and have the sword in their hand, right?
So I think this is a climax scene, maybe, na? This is the end of the movie.
Maybe I don't know. We have to watch this movie.
Wow, man! I think the
I feel that the
execution
execution
is
was the
brilliant.
masterpiece, right?
Masterpiece. At that time,
yes.
this kind of execution nobody will imagine.
Yes.
And also
Execution
one
was
more
so
thing is
much
very
real.
difficult, that to handle this bunch of people, to give the direction like how you first go and then this person will go and this person, and
Right.
this you can do with 5 or 10% maximum.
Always this kind of
But
war
they
scene
are
is very tough.
they are, I think, more than 200-500% people
Yes.
at a bunch,
Right.
and they are doing like the execution was seamless. There were
Seamless,
no
and
drawbacks and
right.
nothing. It was looking like
Exactly.
a
Everything was in sync.
war is going on. Actual
it
में.
was looking like that only, and then when
Yes.
that stone was coming, it was execution was like that. We
3D
felt that
3D type
it
का.
was coming towards us.
Towards you
right?
are doing like that only. Yeah, it was looking like
Yes.
3D image only, and I really love how some people are crawling underground. No, so
Yes.
that scene also, like, it is super beyond any words.
Yes.
Beyond any words.
Those tricks.
My goodness, at that time, this kind of VFX and this kind of execution.
Yes, exactly. The VFX also we have seen, right? That
Superb.
one big stone or boulder
Ah,
that got on the head of
On the
one
head of
soldier, right?
and blood splashed, right?
Right. But
This is
frankly
so
speaking, a story I'm not getting that. What,
are not- I am
what
also not
exactly the
getting,
story
हाँ.
is that. But I think that Britishers might be with them, right? They have a lot of
वो
guns
लड़की
and
वो औरत के साथ थी,
something.
मतलब
Yes.
she is also very graceful actually.
Yes.
She was doing that तलवारबाजी.
She was also
she's a very
flawless.
flawless actress.
Yes.
Actual में, so she is extraordinary, extra talented, and I think Karti का जो gang है, I thought they are the villain. I'm not sure now also who is the villain and who is the hero, but Karti is hero.
was not the villain. Maybe they are fighting for their rights,
For
or
their rights.
protecting their people, right? In the last
maybe.
scene also we have seen
Yes.
that they are fighting inside that one.
But for
right.
which reason they are fighting, and what is the context of it, I'm to be very frank, and I couldn't understand. Right, to be very frank, I don't want to hide anything. This is the truth actually. We couldn't
Because
understand what is the
exactly,
context.
This
because
will
at the
happen
middle
because,
only
just,
we have
seeing
started
one
seeing.
scene only, it will not clear your concept also. So I think we have to watch this movie. I liked
Yes,
it.
to understand
I liked it.
the whole concept.
thing, it was looking superb.
But yes, one more thing we can say that the coordination between all of the means all of them, the team coordination was brilliant actually.
Right.
This is what we can say mostly about this scene, that Aryatil Oruvan is a movie where you can learn a lot of
I
historical
think they have
things
created a kind of content before the time.
before the time.
Right.
They are timeless actually. They doesn't matter like what time you are on. They are brilliant. Their
I think
execution
this
is
kind of
marvelous,
movie,
and you can learn
if
so
they
many
create
things.
now,
Haan.
it will cross 1,000 crores of
Yes,
earnings.
very
right?
true, very true, very
Yes.
true actually. That time no people cannot know.
No,
People
and
do
also
not know
maybe
also.
they don't like that much of VFX and all, right?
They don't know, and they don't understand also. Nowadays people are more curious about
More
this,
educated
more
also
educated
about
actually.
these things.
Educated means on this thing only. They are now into this, all of this VFX. कैसे होता है, कैसे नहीं होता है. They are very interested.
Yes.
But that time I think Karthi sir has done a brilliant, fabulous job.
Yeah.
I think that is why people kept on asking us to give the reaction, more reaction on this scene actually. And here it is for you guys. We are extremely happy because ऐसा टाइप का मास्टरपीस जिंदगी में तो एक बार देखना ही चाहिए इंसान को,
Yes,
है ना,
of course,
विटनेस
of course.
करना चाहिए.
I think we have to watch this movie. I'm
Sure,
telling many times,
definitely,
we have to watch this
definitely.
movie.
We have a long list actually to complete, but every single time we are so busy actually, like with our work and all. And nowadays you all know that अभी घर में कोई काम वाली भी उतना नहीं है, मतलब खाना वाना बनाने के लिए तो
Cook
सब
and home
काम
we don't have right
because
now.
of this
Yes.
pandemic actually. So that is why it is a little bit taking time, but definitely we will. ये मूवी फिर वो काशी, वो मूवी भी, फिर बादीवेलु सर का बहुत सारे मूवीज है, तो we'll be like started watching. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video. We really enjoyed it. It's a 10 on 10 from our side, and yeah, you also let us know your reaction, your ratings,
Thoughts
and every
on this
single
movie.
thing, the context of about this movie in the comment bar. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.